the replication operating system, how it actually works. Pillar 1, standardized store, SOPs, from daily opening checklist to cash reconciliation, every task is documented and auditable. Pillar 2, inventory governance, ERP, integrated replenishment logic with clear GMROI thresholds and automated reorder triggers. Pillar 3, people systems, structured hiring matrices, role-based training modules, KPIs that travel across locations. Now here's Pillar 4, and this is exactly where 80% of retail brands fail. Pillar 4, audit governance, monthly compliance checks covering OTIF, shrinkage, and customer experience scores. Without audits, SOPs become suggestions. With audits, they become standards. This 4-pillar framework isn't a theory. At YRC, we've built, tested, and refined this across fashion retail, F&B chains, lifestyle brands, and specialty stores worldwide. Now here's proof this actually works. We worked with an apparel brand operating 18 stores, but 10 were underperforming. Store managers operated independently. Inventory decisions were inconsistent. No audit rhythm existed. They were 6 months away from shutting down 5 locations. We redesigned their replication framework, standardizing store, SOPs, embedding inventory controls, and instituting monthly governance audits. Within 12 months, same-store sales improved by 27%. Store-level losses reduced by 38%. The stores didn't change, the systems did. This is exactly why brands across the globe trust YRC for retail expansion strategy. We don't just advise, we implement. At YRC, we implement this in 3 phases. And this is the exact method we use with our enterprise clients. Phase 1, operational diagnostic, mapping every gap in current SOPs, systems, and compliance. Phase 2, replication framework design, building standardized SOPs for store ops, inventory, and governance. Phase 3, rollout and audit embedding, integrating SOPs into daily operations with structured review cadences. Most consulting firms stop at strategy. At YRC, we go all the way to execution because frameworks without implementation are just PowerPoints. It's hard work upfront, but once embedded, expansion becomes structured and repeatable. Now here's something we don't usually share publicly. We've documented this entire framework into a retail Healthometer, the same one used by our consulting teams across multi-location retail engagements globally. This retail Healthometer has helped brands save millions in operational losses. If you're planning expansion or recovering from one that didn't go as planned, this retail Healthometer shows exactly what operational maturity looks like before you sign your next lease. The retail Healthometer is available in the description and pinned in the comments. What's your biggest challenge in multi-store operations right now? Let us know in the comments.